Once you've set up boxes, borders, and divs and other elements in your HTML pages, you'll often want to add colors or background images to them. In this movie, I'll be reviewing the CSS properties that allow you to color your background elements. Then later on, I'll cover how to add background images to these elements. With skills covered here, you'll very soon be able to control the background color and background images of all of your HTML elements. Now, before CSS, you could only add background colors to the whole page or to an individual table in the page. Now with CSS, you have full control over what gets a background color. You can add background colors to divs, paragraphs, tables, even a single word, as this example here shows. On this page here, my page itself has a background color. Each of these div elements have different background colors, as well as the text right here in this paragraph. The CSS property for all of this coloring is background-color. If I look at the source code for this HTML page, you can see that I have a variety of rules defined here embedded in the page. Background-color for my paragraph is blue. For the AP div 1, background color is yellow. For the other div, it's a slightly different color yellow right there. Then I've defined a class called .orange background. I've applied the background color orange to that class, to this text right here. So you'll notice that you can specify these background colors using a basic name such as yellow or the hexadecimal values. You can also use RGB values to designate color. If you use RGB values, the range for each value of red, green, or blue is a number from 0 to 255. Older browsers won't understand the RGB notation, but anything that supports style sheets will support the use of RGB colors here for your background color properties. You can apply background colors using tag selectors, as I've done here for my body tag. Here I've colored the background of my page blue. You can also apply background colors to IDs, as I've done here for AP div 2 and AP div 1, as well as classes, as I demonstrated previously with my .orange_background class. Here I've added a new paragraph tag declaration, setting the background color to this purple, kind of reddish purple, and notice that all the paragraphs on my page here now have the entire background of that paragraph colored in that purple that I defined in my rule. Now, a slightly more sophisticated approach is to add background images to your various HTML elements. So let's move on now to the next movie, where I demonstrate the use of the CSS background image property to insert background images into your various HTML elements.